Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to crop the image in Word. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. To crop an image, first double click on it, and when the image format tab opens at the top of the screen, then select the crop button on the right side, and as you can see, crop markers are displayed around the selected image. If we need to crop the image equally from both sides, then select the corner marker and pull it inside the image. If you need to crop only on one side, select some side marker and do the same. To finish cropping the image, press the escape key or click on the crop button again. Great, now let's do a crop on some shape. Click twice on the image and this time click on the arrow under the crop button and then select crop to shape from the drop-down menu. As you can see, there are a lot of shapes for cropping the image. You can choose one of the basic shapes, such as an oval, a square, a cylinder, or something unusual like a lightning bolt, an arrow, and so on. The image will be automatically cropped according to the selected shape, but it will retain its original shape and proportions. And in order for the image to remain inside the shape, click crop again and hold down the left mouse button on the image and move it in the right direction. OK, and last, in order to crop the image to the required proportions, select aspect ratio in the crop menu, select the desired aspect ratio for your image or photo, and then the Word will crop the image to the required size. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.